probably say phenology is the science of the seasons.
At John Muir National Historic Site in Martinez, California, researchers and concerned citizens gathered together to learn how to keep careful count of nature's patterns. Monitoring changes to animal and plant cycles is helping phenology experts track how these events change nationwide with the changing climate.
We're also interested in studying phenology as a way to get park visitors or the public in general to slow down and observe the natural world around them, to get to know plants and animals and their life cycle stages and how plants and animals change through the seasons every year. Life cycle stages are changing and sometimes come much earlier than expected now as a result of warming temperature.
So, if plants flower earlier and pollinators are on a different schedule, this could cause problems.
Well, many of the plants and animals that we rely on, both as crops, fruits and vegetables, and for aesthetic reasons, spring wildflower displays, fall foliage displays, the appearance and behavior of plants in our gardens. And so if we're interested in just tracking the species that we care about, we're interested fundamentally in their phenology.
Understanding how and when plants are shifting can reshape conservation goals or economic plans for agriculture.
We've designed and implemented a phenological monitoring program in 8 of California national parks, examining the leafing, the flowerings, and the fruiting schedules of about 30 species.
Monitoring these species in the park could not be done without the help of interns and support from the public and plant enthusiasts.
Through efforts like phenology monitoring, we can develop this knowledge set, whether it be scientists or the local community, then everyone can engage in the discussion of climate change.
Encouraging citizen scientists is an increasingly popular way for researchers to gather data across a large space without having to be everywhere at once. And it can inspire curiosity some of us might have lost.
People forget, or in many cases just haven't learned, what every child knows. It's fun to see change in our environment, and at a more nuanced level, it's fun to be able to predict what's going to happen next as our landscape around us changes.
John Muir said that whenever we try to pick something out by itself, we find a hitch to everything else in the universe.